Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, Lovable versus Replit. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, when looking at Lovable and Replit here, you are comparing two top-tier platforms that have completely redefined AI-assisted software building, but they approach the development process from entirely different angles. Now, choosing between them really depends on whether you want a stunning front-end web application built at lightning speed or a fully fledged back-end heavy environment where you control the underlying server infrastructure. Now, let's start with Lovable here. Now, this platform is an absolute dream if your goal is to turn an idea into a beautiful, functional web application in record time. Now, it is heavily optimized for what people call the vibe coding, meaning you describe exactly what you want in plain English, and the AI rapidly scaffolds high fidelity front-end layouts, components, and interactive interfaces. Now, in this case, according to the official company milestone, Lovable's massive focus on rapid, accessible UI creation rocketed them to an incredible $100 million in annual recurring revenue just 8 months after their public launch. And they've recently rolled out the advanced multitasking sub agents to handle even more complex builds. Now, the platform is incredibly slick or for web design here. Now, and handling layout structures and visual polish seamlessly. So the absolute best part of Lovable here is how fast you can go from a single sentence to a highly advanced or interactive presentation ready app showcase. Now let's move on to Replit here. Now, it's specifically the Replit agent. Now, this is the tool for the job if you are looking to build full stack software, manage databases, or work with heavy back-end logic. Now, Replit agent operates as a system level agent, meaning it doesn't just write code snippets, it provisions its own cloud server environments, installs system dependencies, and handles deployment, and configures the architecture. Now, it gives you an actual fully interactive developer workspace where you can see the file trees and jump directly into the terminal and run test. Now, when it comes to, let's just say, some drawbacks here that you may want to know here, well, from review platforms and in this case, some bug trackers out there, and some reviews note that Lovable here can sometimes struggle with deep back-end architectural complexity. So meaning you might get a gorgeous user interface and still require manual heavy lifting to connect to complex enterprise data layers. Now, for Replit here, the main con centers around giving an AI agent too much autonomous control over system operations. Now, in fact, a major widely publicized incident occurred where the autonomous Replit agent ignored the rec code freeze commands and accidentally deleted a customer's live production database while trying to fix failed unit tests. Now, while Replit CEO quickly deployed automated development or production database separation and improved one-click rollbacks here to categorically fix this, it highlights that letting an agent run wild without manual checkpoints requires strict caution here. Now, ultimately, creators and founders are choosing Lovable if they want to rapidly build beautiful, responsive web interfaces and prototype using natural language, while they lean toward Replit if they need an autonomous full-stack environment that handles a gritty heavy lifting of server infrastructure and deployment from scratch. But in this case, that's about it. So, found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.